the first thing that I always do is I give a piece a good inspection. I check to see if there's any damaged drawers or loose veneer, scratches, names engraved onto the furniture. I check to see if there's anything that needs to be repaired before I even think about sanding. This piece I started by removing all of the hardware. After I remove the hardware, I put it in a little container to make sure that I have all of the pieces and screws that I take out. Then I also labeled the back of each drawer just so I can make sure that I'm not trying to put a puzzle together once the furniture is done. Next, I started with cleaning. I used a diluted mixture of simple green and water. You want to make sure that you wash the simple green off because it does leave a residue. So this is where I started sanding. I used a 120 grit and I started around the edges. But as you'll see in a minute, I tried to sand and clean off the insides of the squares there. I wasn't sure what they were made out of or if I was going to be able to sand it down. So I did end up going onto Facebook to a couple of the furniture sites that I belong to, and I asked if anybody knew what those were made out of, and everybody came back and said leather. I had no idea. This was the first time I'd ever had a desk like this. So before I knew what I knew, I was going to use some acetone and some stripper to try to take it off, not knowing it was leather. This is where I decided to cover the entire top with stripper. See if I couldn't get it off that way. But it ended up turning into an orangey, goopy mess when I went to scrape it off. The wood parts actually scraped off as they should with stripper, but not the inside where the leather is now. I should have known by that first swipe that something was not right. It was extremely difficult. After I went through a bunch of acetone and a bunch of stripper, I found a heat gun. And I took the putty knife and slowly worked around the edges with the heat gun to kind of loosen up the leather, the glue that's holding the leather on. It worked pretty well. once that leather piece came off, it was so satisfying. I just took a little stripper just to kind of get the rest of the glue residue. I finished up sanding around the edges and then vacuumed all the little pieces off, getting ready for the pre-stain. This was an oil-based pre-stain, which I like a lot better than the water-based that I found. I went around every bit of the dresser and pre-stained, followed all the instructions on how long to wait and then what to do after everything was dry. I believe the stain color that I'm using is espresso, basically black, but it didn't really turn out like a black. It was more like a darker version of walnut. I did a couple coats of the stain and let it dry. And I went ahead and I did a polyurethane coat over the entire desk, twice on the top. After that, I went by Hobby Lobby and found some black leather, cut it to shape, and glued it down, and it ended up looking really nice. There's the top pieces. I think they turned out nice. Let's take a quick look back at where this whole project started. That little name will no longer be there.